Candace Carter, thoughts to go. I'm back from, well, how can I put it? My girlfriend said I was going on a staycation. That was a new word for me. A staycation, you stay at home and go on vacation, which is probably very popular now in COVID times. Staycation doesn't quite describe what I did or why I did it. It's what did I learn? Let's look at it this way. It's amazing what you can learn if you just change your tempo. Let's say, what happens to time when I get out of my box of my daily routine and do something else? So, about 80% of my normal contacts I had cut back during this time. I would say maybe 80%. I was in touch with my children. I had to do my, some of the emails that had to do with work. But it was like a lot less. So that meant the time you had, which is always the same, but which we experience differently. For example, if you ride a bike, what do you experience moving? Compare it to walking. Compare maybe riding in a car and taking a train or flying. These different tempi, these different speeds, the different speeds give us different information, different reflections of what we see. So if I slow my tempo down, I experience time differently. I experience the day. For example, during this time, I much more experienced the passing of the day, the light in the morning, then moving towards midday and then into evening. And I also very much experienced the days getting longer, which is what happens in the end of January, February. The days, it doesn't get dark at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, so there were a lot of things, and you also move, there's nothing against interruptions. I think interruptions can often be very creative moments, because you get caught in your head. Somebody interrupts you, there's a break, you go back, you can work better. Both can happen. Sometimes, though, you get so much input, so much interruptions, or so many people and things and situations wanting you to go here, go there, go there, go there. And you kind of just, you can get lost in your daily routine. Sometimes it can get to be too much. So when you cut it back, when you cut it down, it's like fasting, but you don't fast, you don't quit eating, you don't eat less, you just, well, you do kind of, you eat less what's going on. And when you eat less what's going on, you have more room in your soul kitchen for other experiences. So what was for me this time was tempo. Those were a couple of the more important things. I will continue to talk about this. I'm back. I will be making some changes maybe on my channel. I'm not sure, because then what you really do if you kind of pull things back down to the basics, you begin to consider what's important, what's not important. But that's enough for today. So I will be posting again regularly on Monday and hope to see you again. Okay, bye-bye.